Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In this video, we are going to go over the 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla front blinker light bulb number. There are a lot of options out there to choose from and different brands. I won't be able to cover them all in this short video, but I will list a few of the options. Okay, so we have the ICO 3457A, the Phillips 3457NA, the Sylvania 3457A, and the Sylvania 3457A LED, which is the LED option. I'll leave the screen up for a few seconds for reference. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.